Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. So today I thought we would look at our Roccabox. This is the May box. I love Roccabox. I've probably been receiving this for maybe a year, maybe a little bit longer. I'm not too sure. They do mystery boxes, and at the moment they do have the Elements box or Zodiac sign box. I have had a couple of those. I'll leave the cards up here in case you want to have a look, or here. I can't never remember which side it goes up. And they also do £10 mystery boxes as well, and I've had a couple of them, and again I will leave a card up here. And I've actually ordered another one because I've been using the hair bear care or something, the vitamins to help hair. I got to tell you, I love those. This will be my third bottle, so I've been using them for 3 months. And I have requested in the mystery box, there's a little note that you can leave. Now, I don't know if the note is to request any particular items, but I have asked for those vitamins again because they are a little bit pricey. So £10 in comparison to £28, and I get the other products as well. So if you haven't already, you like these kind of videos, I would really appreciate if you wouldn't mind very much subscribing. I am trying to reach my 2,000 subscriber goal, and I really need your help and support in order to do that. Also, we have the JEFFREE Star Mirror picture here or here. It'll be somewhere. You can enter that, and I will leave the link down below for that video to enter too. The rules are very simple. The price of Roccabox, by the way, is £10 plus £3.95 on delivery, which I don't think is too bad. You sometimes get full size items, and sometimes they're travel size, and sometimes maybe sample size, and sometimes you get little bonus treats like little chocolates and little drinks, things like that inside the box as well. Okay, so enough yabby. So we've got a leaflet of £50 off wine, and then you also get a leaflet just explaining the box contents and what it's all about, and there are the products. Okay, so let's get into it. So just to introduce this box, it says, "Hi Roccababes, this month we thought we'd make your time at home as easy as possible with our staycation edition. We know it's not quite the same as jetting off to Ibiza or going on a spa day with your besties, but this is close enough. All the products are ideal for bringing that getaway feel straight to your doorstep. With hair care, skincare, self-tanning, as well as coffee. To keep you awake during those long Netflix sessions, we have your back. Stay fabulous, positive and beautiful. We can do this. Love, Tia." And Tia is the founder of Roccabox, and I think she is also a YouTuber, although don't quote me on it. So the first product I do see in our little box is this. This is a Tropez Self Tan Express Bronzing Gel and Mitt. We're bringing holidays to you this month with the Tropez Bronzing Gel. This gel is a lightweight translucent, so it's easy to apply, leaving an even and natural looking glow. This gel is suitable for everyone. Its intelligent shade technology has 3 shades in one. You just simply choose when to rinse it off. Okay, so it says on the bottle that for 1 hour, if you leave it on for 1 hour, you get a light look. 2 hours medium, 3 hours a dark. So let's just have a little look. Ooh, that's dark. Okay. Oh, it is very gel-like as well. Okay, well, I'll give that a go. I tend to put these things more on my legs and maybe my arms. I'm not one for popping them on my face because I tried that before and it wasn't very good. Not good at all. Right. Oh, did I tell you where to get this from? You can get this at boots.com, and this would be £5.70, and this is a deluxe travel size. Okay, and with that you get the mitt. This is a full size. We might be able to bring the tan to you, but we can't apply it for you. However, this dual-sided mitt will help make sure you have a streak-free finish and stain-free hands. This velvet mitt evenly distributes the gel onto the skin whilst protecting your hands to save any embarrassing mishaps. And this would cost £5, and you can get this from boots.com, and it's a full size obviously. So that's the first two products, which I really like. Then we have this. No, I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's Jolique. I'm not sure. It's a rosewater balancing mist. This one is for your luxurious side, created using the new specially grown Jolique rose extract. This mist will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soothed and well balanced whilst restoring a natural glow. It's suitable for all skin types and can even be used over makeup. As an added bonus, it smells amazing too. This is a deluxe travel size. It costs £10, and you can get this at jolique.com. Okay, so I know some people are a bit funny with the smell of roses. I don't mind it, to be fair. I quite like the smell of roses. Oh, this bottle is so cute. Look at that, guys. How gorgeously cute and feminine and pretty is that? So let's give it a little spray. Let's check out the mister first. Oh, it's quite nice actually. So let's pop some on. Oh, that is nice. Very refreshing. And yes, it is quite heavily scented of roses. So like I say, if people are a bit funny about it, although they don't smell artificial, to me they do smell like roses. So that's that one. I'll enjoy using that for sure. We then have this. This is by Charles Worthington. This is a Moisture Seal Hair Healer Mini Takeaway. It is a travel size. Don't worry, we don't forget about your luscious locks. This lightweight conditioner is intensely nourishing and gives hair a new lease of life. The conditioner is created using argan oil, coconut oil, abyssinian oil, you get the picture. It's full of enriching oils to restore damage and infiltrate deep into the hair follicle. Trust us, this leaves your hair feeling 5 times softer than usual. The perfect product to prepare for that isolation glow up. This has a recommended of £2.29, and you can get this at boots.com. So it says to smooth through clean, damp hair with fingers or comb, repeating until applied all over. Do not rinse. Style, avoid contact with eyes, and if contact with eyes, rinse well with warm, clean water. Hello?
Hello.
You alright?
Yeah.
Right, so let's have a look at this.
I'm not dinner yet. Can we spray each other?
We'll see. Look, Kai, I'm in the middle of filming, baby. Go and play just now.
Okay.
Thank you. So it comes out like quite a clear, like almost gel-like consistency.
Wait.
And it feels nice. And it smells nice.
I know. There's 100 spiders in my pottery bowl.
Okay.
100 of little ones.
Go and see what Ash is doing when I just do this quick video, okay? Thank you. Yeah, so it does feel nice. I do like Charles Worthington. I've tried a few of his products before and always been really kind of happy with it. So I look forward to giving that a go for sure. Right, next we have Elemus Peptide Plumpin Pillow Facial, and that is this. This is a travel size, salon worthy treatments with zero effort. This super cooling gel mask is exactly what you need. This is a hydrating sleep mask which drenches the skin in moisture, helping to plump the skin and fight signs of tired and dull skin. When sleeping, your body temperature naturally rises, meaning you lose hydration. This overnight mask will leave you feeling and looking fresh as ever in the morning. This is the perfect addition to your natural look skincare regime. This has a recommended of £18, and you can get this at elemus.com. Packaging's rather pretty. Now, I'm not one for face masks, but I wouldn't mind trying something like this that is an overnight rather than the sheet mask. I'm not that keen on sheet masks. I don't know why. So let's pop a little bit of this out. So it's kind of like the same consistency as the Charles Worthington hair product. It has a very slight smell to it. Okay, so our next product is Nail HQ. This is Essential Nail Hardener. Your nails probably need a little love after you have tried every at-home remedy for removing your gels. So this nail hardener is exactly what you need. This varnish contains collagen and minerals, which is designed to toughen and protect your nails. It is specially formulated for thin and weak nails, ideal for preparing your nails for the post-lockdown glow-up. You can get this for £6.99 and you can get it at soinvogue.com. This is a full-size product. Okie dokie, so I like the colour of this, and I hope when you paint it on your nails it actually kind of stays like this colour. So that is it there. Not much I can really say about this, is there, apart from it smells like nail varnish. Yeah, there's not much I can say about it, although I do like it and I use stuff like that all the time. Right, and last but not least, we have a bonus treat of some coffee. You don't have to be an expert to enjoy a great cup of coffee. Just because we aren't out and about at the moment doesn't mean we don't need a little pick-me-up in the morning. However you like your coffee, we're sure you're going to like this. And like I say, it's just a bonus treat and you get a pack of coffee here. Great. I like the fact that you get little bonuses in Roccabox as well. Okay, so I feel like the box was a good one again this month. These are things that I would definitely use. I'll give this a go, most likely on my legs, because I'm rubbish at self-tanning anywhere else. I personally like the smell of this. It's gorgeous and will definitely use it. The roses are quite prominent though, just to make you aware. Charles Worthington, I like his products anyway, so I'll enjoy using that. I'll definitely give this a go. Never used her branding before, Elemus, so I'll give that a go. And of course I'm going to use that because I like nail varnishes and nail care, so yeah, I'll give that a go. So I am actually 100% happy with this box. There's nothing in there that I don't think I will actually use. Don't forget, if you like these kind of videos, please be sure to subscribe just to help me get to my 2,000 subscription goal. And also don't forget to enter the giveaway, the JEFFREE Star Bloodlust Mirror. I'll leave a picture or somewhere up here, and I'll leave the link down below for that video if you want to go ahead and click on it and enter the giveaway. Right, that's all I've got for you at the moment. Please take care of yourselves, my lovelies, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Mwah. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.